Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Planet Bink.
With Huz?
Is this the best hike in Morocco? Join us as we visit Akchour Falls near Chefchaouen in this episode of the Planet Bink World Tour.
What?
Greetings and salutations and welcome back to Planet Bink. Guys, today we have a fantastic episode, so make sure to hit the subscribe button, subscribe for the best vibes on YouTube. New videos every Sunday, guys. Today we're doing
Akchour.
Falls. I don't know if I said that right, but it's whatever. It's near Chefchaouen in Morocco. I am fired up. I hope you guys are too. Let's have a day.
I'm a hustler, okay, I'm a baller. Man, what they call her. Don't talk back on your mother. I'm a father.
Vibes are through the roof. Let's go.
Let's go to Spain together.
Alright, are you fired up for the hike?
I'm fired up for the hike.
Quickie photo shoot before embarking on our adventure.
Where all my shawties at? I take them to Daytona.
Oh
my god.
The vibes in Akchour, immaculate.
Hey, mission beaches where I stay. With your bitchy in my bitch, she finna lay. Hey, hey, I was smoking on the AK with my boy Drake. Hey,
Honestly, have no idea what we were about to get ourselves into.
Bro, we're inside of a ravine. I feel like I'm in Minecraft. Unreal. This is so cool.
This is what Akchour looks like from above.
Vibes are through the roof.
This part of the journey, we are on our way to see God's Bridge. God's Bridge is a natural stone arc in Morocco's Rif Mountains. It was formed over thousands of years as flowing water slowly carved away the rock beneath it. Long before tourists arrived, local Amazigh communities passed through this area, seeing the arch as a place of balance and protection. Its name, God's Bridge, comes from how perfectly the arch remains.
Guys, I might be the first person to ever hit the jailbird in front of God's Bridge.
man, the this shit is hot. It's not my buddy. Got the dope, all this money in the world.
Genuinely, look how glorious God's Bridge looks.
God's Bridge, more like Tuffington City Archway.
Yeah, posted up at God's Bridge with a glass of tea. What is there to complain about? Somebody please let me know. I don't see a damn thing. Nothing but blue skies and high vibes.
Nothing but blue skies and high vibes today at Akchour. The hike's difficulty, honestly, not bad at all. I genuinely think anyone could do it. Plus, you get the views of waterfalls. Like, what is there to complain about?
Oh my, a donkey. Akchour is goated on babe.
Genuinely, look how beautiful it is around us. This is actually probably the best hike in Morocco. Subscribe for the best vibes on YouTube. New videos every Sunday. Alright, it's lunchtime. Time to muck some tagine.
Chilling with the Huz.
The tagine has arrived. Look at the vibes. Nothing to complain about. Let's muck, shall we?
I love mucking. All finished.
No complaints. not at all what I expected Africa to look like, but I am fired up about it nonetheless. Guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Even if you didn't, still give that shit a like. It fires me up. Guys, subscribe for the best vibes on YouTube. New videos every Sunday. Can't make this shit up. Thank you guys again. And may the vibes forever be in your favor. Cheers.
CLT, that's me. They pass that shit to LP, man, that's so crazy.